What's up everybody, back with another video. Once again we are adding some Mini GTs to the collection. As you can see, some of them come in the older packaging style from Mini GT and we have some pretty low numbers. And yeah, I bought these because my, so to say, a long-term goal is to own the first 100 Mini GTs, or let's say the numbers 1 to 100 for Mini GT. I don't know if that will ever happen because, as you might know, some of these models are pretty rare, pretty expensive. But anyways, I think you have to have something like that, a goal. And that's it. Anyways, we get right into it and start with this one here, number 64. Yes, another Liberty Walk version of the Nissan GT-R. It's pretty cool. We've seen this or the similar deco in different color variations. And always when I get these in these blister packagings, I leave them in there because I'm running out of space anyway. So this one will stay in its packaging. So let's put that one in the background and let's start the unboxing with this one here, which is the McLaren Senna. This is number 18, as you can see right here. So let's get this guy out of its packaging. So for all of you guys that are not familiar with Mini GT, this is a premium diecast brand. You get metal body, metal base, rubber tires, a lot of details. And there is one special thing about these Mini GTs. So here is the Senna. And as I mentioned, the special thing about these Mini GTs is normally they do roll very well. And there are other diecast brands that produce cars with similar details, but often they don't roll. Anyways, so the Senna in orange, I have to say this is definitely not my favorite supercar. I think it's not looking very good. But I would say it's a pretty nice Mini GT models. We get these 9-spoke wheels. And that is kind of interesting. We also get some, it's hard to focus, reflective paint or silver paint here on the mirrors. They are kind of stiff, by the way. Many of these Mini GT models do have soft mirrors, rubberized mirrors. And yeah, this one has a lot of details, as you can see. This glass piece here in the door, surely it's plastic. Yeah, pretty nice. Glad to add that one to the collection. So and here is the next one. Once again, the Senna, now in black. This is number 20. I mean, when I mentioned that I want to own the first 100 models of Mini GT, I mean, you know that they often do left and right-hand drive versions, but I think that would be a little too much. So I have to say I don't really care if it's left or right-hand drive. I mean, the model is the same, and So not much to say. Same model, now in black with black wheels. So also looking pretty good. And yeah, as you can see, this is the right-hand drive version, by the way, and this is the left-hand drive version. So yeah, to be honest, I didn't pay any attention when I bought them then. This is also a casting where Mini GT did a lot of versions from Honda Civic Type R. This is number 65, championship white with carbon. So let's get this thing open. And I always mention this. These Mini GTs, if you don't know them, come in these cardboard boxes, and there's a piece of plastic inside that is protecting the car very well. And the good thing is, you don't have to throw away the packaging. You always can store the car back inside. It's well protected, and yeah. And by the way, don't mix these plastic pieces up with the different packagings, because they are especially made for the car and they won't fit any other of these models. So yeah, another Honda Civic Type R. Once again, not a car in reality that does really excite me. But yeah, it's a pretty nice Mini GT model. We get some sponsor logos here on the side. Does it say Grady? This is kind of hard to read. Then we get this carbon fiber hood. The Honda badge on the front. Black 6-spoke wheels. Huge wing. As you can see, we get the heating wires on the back window, Type R license plate, some exhaust details. Nice model. And we go on with the BMW M4 in a Sakhir orange. Strange, I mean, it looks like red. 121 is the number, by the way. Okay, I'm not 100% sure how it or how your impression is on camera or on video, but this definitely is not orange for me. Maybe red with a little bit of orange. Anyways, yeah, it's just a nice model. I love the details from Mini GT once again. I mean, look at these rims. I mean, nearly every model of them has different rims. This one comes with a carbon fiber roof, lensed headlights, lensed taillights, BMW M4 on the license plate, some nice exhaust details, and yeah, nice grille and the BMW badge. Pretty nice model. And this one also does roll. We didn't check the other ones. We can do that. And yeah, all of them do roll, which is pretty nice. Then we go on with this guy here, number 170. This is the Mercedes-Benz 190e Evolution 2 in plain silver. I do have a lot of versions from this Mini GT casting, because they did some really cool racing decos on this model, and I'm trying to get all the versions. And now we got the plain version in silver, and yeah, this one's also looking very good. Oh no. Here is a piece of plastic in the packaging. I don't know. Oh, I think... Oh, it's the exhaust. Oh man. Ah, okay. Seems like it has fallen off during shipping. Not so cool, but I think it shouldn't be a problem to glue that exhaust back on the model. I mean, it's annoying because yeah, these older models are pretty hard to get and pretty expensive sometimes. And you always have to be really careful because it's hard to see. These Mercedes do have a little... my camera won't focus. Do have the star on the hood, as you can see right here. So you have to be careful not to break them. Camera doesn't really focus today, sorry for that. But it's in general a pretty nice model. Love the rims, love the details on the grille. Very, very nice. Lensed taillights, lensed headlights, Mercedes-Benz license plate. It does roll, so very nice. So let's get this guy carefully into the parking lot with its lost exhaust, and let's get to our final model. So as you can see, this one also comes with a racing deco, another version of the 190e 2.5 dash 16 Evolution 2. This is the Camel 1990 yellow page 200 what does it say? Invitational. Let me get the plastic wrapping off first. And then take a look at the name of this thing together. So, the Mercedes-Benz 190e 2.5-16 Evolution 2, number 3, Camel 1990 yellow page 200 Invitational Kyalami. Okay. Anyways, to be honest, I'm not an expert for all of those racing series. I mean, I buy those models especially for the look. I love rally and racing liveries. And this one, yeah, also is looking very good. And as you can see, this one comes with exhaust, hasn't fallen off. Really nice version in yellow with a lot of details. You can see all the sponsor logos down there on the side. It rolls, we get some heating wires on the rear window. Yeah, pretty nice, and I'm glad that I do own this one right now. So, as always, let's bring our models back together and pick a favorite. And yeah, I think out of these, I have to say it's this one here. As I mentioned, I love rally and racing deco, and this one looks really, really good. And yeah, I hope you did like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel. I say Thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.